Hello guys, good afternoon. Today I will continue talking about triangles. So for me it's a pleasure to be here with you. So I'm going to put my camera off and I will start to share my screen. Let me 1 second. If we can remember in the last class, we said that triangles are geometric figures or polygon which is formed by three sides and three vertices. Okay, the sides and the vertices. Here. Okay. It has three internal angles and three external angles. Those angles. And the external angle are from here. Also, we can perform several mathematical operations using the properties of triangles. Also, if you remember, we try to find rectangular shapes in our classroom and in our community. Let me show you some of them. Something like this. And these are the most common. A piece of pizza or a piece of watermelon. Yes, you remember, I know. But today we will talk specifically about right triangles. Right triangles have the same characteristic and properties of other triangles, but this one has several special features. Okay, if you remember, the vertices are identified by these. This capital letter like the A, C, and B, and this little letter represent how long are the sides. Okay, this is the right angle. Also, we can call it like the left side 90-degree angle. Okay, I repeat again, 90-degree angle. Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem says that in a right triangle, the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs. Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher. He is from Greece. Also, he is a mathematician considered the first pure mathematician. He contributed significantly to the advancement of Hellenic mathematics, geometry, and arithmetic, and other things. He was the creator of the famous Pythagoras theorem. Here I show you the theorem and the triangles. Okay, these are the theorems or the formula. Use it to find the measures of the size of right triangles, only for right triangles. Okay, here we have an example. First, you have to remember the formula. If you don't remember the formula, you won't to do anything. Okay? Then you're going to have sum of value, and you had to replace them on their original formula. And then you had to do the operation, mathematical operations, and finally you're going to have the result. Okay, thank you. That's what all. If you have a question, let me know, and I'm going to post some exercise. If you have a dude or something like that, let me know. Thank you. Have a good rest of the day, guys.